back to my channel. This is my first video and today we're gonna start this video. Wait, just quick right now because I have nothing to do. Just wait a second. Anyways, let's get started. Well, I'm just chilling here. Out in the couch. I'm bored. I shouldn't get in there. Who is she? Who is she? Oh, another Roblox girl. God. Let's see who's the winner. New York. Fashion famous. My goodness. Out in the counter. Okay. Let me just give her a 2. 2. And they are so cool and pretty. Nice tried. I will just give you 3. Who is this? Oh, okay. I will give her a 2. A 1. That's better. Hey guys, I'm going to California, the most hottest place in, I don't know. Wait, no, Mexico is the hottest place in the world. Let's see who's the winner, Anis. Oh God. Clap my hands. Anyways, let's get this thing started. This is me. My name is Steffi Swan. My fake name is Steffi. Who cares? Good job, everyone. I thank you. I didn't even did nothing. Only both. Sit here, sit there. Starting a new game. Fuck. It's new madness event. Get ready. Another Roblox girl. Oh God. You're welcome. So weird. Should I get this one? Or should I get this one? Haha. Let's get this one. This one's kind of cute. Should we wear them? No. Let's wear these pants. No thanks. too horrible. Something is. This is even worse. This one. No thanks. I need something. Hurry up, me. Let me just get these pants right here. I kind of like this one. Perfect. Now, hair. Let me get my hair. This is my real hairstyle. But what kind is hairstyle? Okay, perfect. Yeah. This one. No, let's have a cute face. Very cute face. Cute face. I want cute. Oh, I'm cute. Kind of like these. Never mind. I'd rather to not have it. Okay, now cute. Perfect. Who cares about that? Can I wear this? I could. Wow. That is worst. Okay, now outfits. I don't need outfits. I already have some outfits. Let me get my dog. Let me get my dog. I'm a faster need. Fast. Get dog. Give me my dog. Doggy. Okay, there we go. Let's see how many points do I got. Good try. Oh, I was about to give it more. No. What the heck? I'll just give it another one. So cute. I love it. Yeah, she is kind of cute. Let me just give her a 2. What? When is gonna be my turn? Yeah. Wait a second. Did she copy me? Well, a little bit. How could she? Yeah. At least she didn't get the animal place. Bye. I have my little doggy. Don't ask me nothing. What the heck? I love the movie. Let me just give it random. What's up? That's it right there. Oh my god. That's amazing. Oh god. What the? Okay, nah, I'm not seeing that. I'm not seeing that. The winner is me. I laughed too much. I'm in second place. Interesting mission. Anyways, I maybe not. Maybe. Well, let me just get out the server. Peace out.